Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. Today I received my Makeup Institute Hank and Henry makeup brush subscription bag. I'm super excited because I love me some makeup brushes. So if you're unfamiliar with this subscription, you can subscribe for $25 a month. The value of the box or the bag is $100, or you can do a 3-month subscription for $72 and you save $3. I did the 3-month subscription just to see how the brushes were. I really liked the first set that I got. This is my second month. And then at the end of the 3 months, if I feel like I have enough brushes, I will unsubscribe. So far, I don't see that happening, but we'll see. So here's my bag. I have cut it open, but I have not pulled out the goodies inside. Should I pull them all out or do them one at a time? Oh, heck, let's just pull them all out. Oh, my goodness. So I have 6 brushes and a little thank you gift. And the first brush that I have is a large Hank and Henry Tasha brush. And I love how I call these socks. I know that's not what they're called. I think they're called a brush saver or a bristle saver. Oh, these brushes are so soft. And it has a little sleeve on it to protect the handle. And I keep these because when I wash my brushes after they're dry, I can put these on them to help reshape them, because sometimes I can be a little rough with my brushes. So that is super soft. And I'm not sure what a Tasha brush is for, but I will look that up. Could be a complexion brush. They're really soft. The handle is nice and sturdy. It has a nice weight to it. I like the color of the ferrule. And the brush has the little Hank and Henry logo on it. It's a very nice brush. So that's brush number 1. And then we have Savvy. I'm going to have to look and see why they name their brushes the way they do. Doesn't really tell you, some brushes will tell you what it's for. And that really doesn't matter to me because I will use brushes for things they're not intended to be used for, because, if I like a brush, I like a brush. This, to me, would be a good, either a highlight brush, definitely good for blending. When I put my shadows on, I like to take a big, fluffy, clean brush and go back in. This one, too, has the little Hank and Henry logo on it. It's a very nice brush. They're very nice, very soft. Very nice. I'm happy with both of those. And then the next 4 are purple. Purple is my favorite color. These 4 brushes are all Makeup Institute. Gosh, I love that purple. And this is just a flat packing brush. And then we have, these don't have names on them. They do have numbers on them. This is a S205. This is a nice, soft, fluffy brush. Very nice. And this is a little pointed detail brush. Very nice. And the last brush is a brow brush. It has the spoolie on one end and the little brow, or eyeliner. You can use it for eyeliner too. Very nice little set of brushes. And then they send you a little gift, a little Hank and Henry product. This is Lip Aesthetic Liquid Lipstick, and it is in the color Emote. So let's open that up. Cute little packaging. It's got Hank and Henry on it. This as well has the Hank and Henry logo on it. Super cute. So let's see what that color looks like. Ooh. She is red, y'all. Looks more of a corally orange. Is the camera focusing on that? It's a very pretty color. That feels like it will dry down into a matte. That's very nice. I really like that packaging. I like how it's shaped. If you can see, the inside of it is shaped like a lipstick. That's super cute. Super cute. So there you have it. That's my Makeup Institute Hank and Henry makeup brush subscription box. It comes with your little packaging slip, and even signed by the person that packaged it. So thank you so much, Bruno, for taking such good care of packaging up my brushes. I will leave a link down in the description box to the Makeup Institute website where you can sign up if you're interested. I'm not affiliated with them. It's not an affiliate link. I'm just linking it there for courtesy purposes. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me open up all of my brushes. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It sure would make my day. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell so that you get notified the next time I upload a video. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, look at this red-orange lipstick that we're going to put on you with this brush. We got all kinds of pretty brushes to play with. I am running out of makeup tips and crazy things to say to you. I don't know, but I love you.